This is 1 cup of moong dal. We will wash this and soak it for 2 hours. So let's prepare the dough for this. Until then, this is 2 cups of maida. I'm adding crushed ajwain to this, half teaspoon of salt. I'm adding desi ghee, 2 teaspoon. You can add little more. This is called as moin for this. If you wish, you can add oil also, but before adding the water, mix it properly. See that you mix all the ingredients properly and then add water little by little. Don't knead the atta, just gather all the ingredients slowly, and after mixing everything, you keep this dough to rest for 2 hours. Put a cloth on that. Preparing mint chutney. This is 1 bunch of mint, coriander, half bunch of coriander, some garlic cloves, 10 to 15 ones, half cut ginger, half inch, some 5 to 6 chilies. I have taken half cup of shave for this, some salt to taste. We will add some jeera also and water, and we will make a fine paste of this. This our chutney is ready. Now for this tamarind chutney, I have soaked tamarind, 1 lemon sized tamarind for 15-20 minutes. We will sieve this nicely. We will add some water and again drain off all the pulp from this. We'll boil this for 15 minutes. Take out any dust particles. I'm adding half cup of jaggery. You can add little sugar also. And this is half teaspoon of salt. This is jeera powder, coriander powder, red chili powder. You can add little bit of chaat masala to this or amchur powder. Now our moong dal have soaked for 2 hours. We have drained the water. We will fry this in a non-stick pan. We'll fry this nicely until all the water has been absorbed or drained. Now our moong dal has nicely roasted and dried. We will take it out in a plate. Allow this to cool for 10 minutes and we will make a coarse powder of this. Now in a pan we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of besan powder or besan atta. We will fry this nicely until all the rawness goes. This is 1 teaspoon of saunf, that is fennel seeds. I have crushed this. We will fry this along with our besan. We will fry until all the rawness goes. Now this is the crushed moong dal which we had soaked. We have made a coarse powder. We will fry this along with our besan. We will fry this for 5-6 minutes. You will get a nice aroma. That time you can start adding the other ingredients. This is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt. I'm adding black salt, 1 teaspoon, some hing, and this is 1 jeera powder. You can add dhania powder, garam masala, and fry this nicely. This is amchur powder, some chaat masala. This is kasuri methi. It will taste very nice with these masalas. Fry this nicely until you get a golden brown. After 15 minutes, our atta is ready. It is soft, nice atta. You can just softly knead it. Don't knead it tightly. Now we will make balls of this. A lemon size ball I am making. prepare all the balls and keep ready. Cover it after making all the balls. We will cover this with a cloth and keep it. So this masala is also ready. It is cooled off. And we will mix all nicely, properly, and make small balls of this. We will make equal number of balls for the atta balls what we have prepared. Hold it and make the balls. So these are the equal number of balls for the fillings. Take a lemon sized one, and you can see I am pressing at the edges. Just go on pressing it at the edges, and now we will take the filling and keep it and just press the filling little bit. You can see I am pressing it from the edges and the masala from center. Observe this carefully. It's not a difficult thing. Just gather everything, make a potli and just press it. And afterwards just go on pressing the ball which we had filled. I'll show another one. Can make this way too. Just press the edges. Take one filling and keep it. And now this I am showing by pressing with a spoon. If you feel difficult, you can make this way too. Just hold everything nicely in your hand and just push the fillings from center and the edges, go on closing it with your fingers. Practice this 1 or 2 times, you will get it perfectly. Just press and gather all the atta, and now we will just press it with hand. If you want, you can even roll it with a pin, but I am making it with hand only. First I will make it little smaller size. You will come to know when I will make it bigger again. Now this oil is hot on medium flame. You can see before adding the kachori, I am once again pressing it from the edges and putting. Now these have become little bigger ones also than which I had made and kept it in the plate. When the oil is medium hot, we will add this. These kachoris we will fry on low heat. Don't lift the kachoris immediately. First put the hot oil over the kachoris on the outer side, and when you start seeing that they are coming up, then you can turn them. The kachoris should themselves come up, then only you will turn. Then you can come to know that it has fried nicely inside also. Now you can see it has come out so nice. This color you should get, and our kachoris are ready to serve. You can see the filling. Enjoy it with both the chutneys which we had prepared. You can also put some save over this and relish it. Enjoy it with your family and friends.